Welcome to our resume evaluation tool. In this demonstration, we will showcase how this script works to analyze a resume against a job description. First, we start by extracting text from the resume and job description PDF files. The user will provide the paths to these files. The tool will read the content from both documents, ensuring we capture all relevant information. Next, the script utilizes OpenAI's GPT model to generate a comprehensive evaluation. It prompts the AI to act as a professional career coach, providing feedback on several key areas: the relevance of experience, any missing skills, strengths of the resume, areas for improvement, and the overall language quality. After receiving the evaluation, users can choose their preferred output format, either a PDF or a Word document. In this example, we'll create a PDF report titled Resume Analysis. The report will summarize the AI's insights, helping job seekers enhance their resumes effectively. Let's see how the script processes the files and generates the evaluation report. Thank you for joining us today.